Most people are doing sit-ups wrong, and they're slowly wrecking their lower back without even knowing it. Sounds dramatic? Stay with me, because one small mistake could be killing your results. And if you care about training smarter, not harder, make sure you like, share, and subscribe right now. This channel is all about doing things the right way. Here's the problem. Most sit-ups turn into a neck-pulling hip flexor takeover. People yank their head forward, swing their arms, and just bounce up and down. It looks like effort, but your abs barely show up to work. Ever felt sit-ups more in your neck or lower back than your core? Exactly. Before I show you the fix, quick reminder. Subscribe to the channel so you don't keep repeating these mistakes. The secret isn't more reps, it's control. Sit-ups are like folding a piece of paper. If you crease it in the wrong place, the whole thing collapses. Start flat on your back, knees bent, feet planted, hands lightly touching the sides of your head, not pulling, chin slightly tucked, like you're holding an orange under it. Before you move, brace your core like someone's about to poke your stomach. If this already helps, pause and subscribe now. You'll thank yourself later. Incorrect form uses momentum and hip flexors, stressing the spine. Correct form curls the torso slowly, ribcage moving toward the hips. Think abs pulling me up, not head yanking me forward. But here's what most trainers won't tell you. More reps don't mean better abs. 10 perfect sit-ups beat 50 sloppy ones every time. Slow down, exhale as you come up. Pause for 1 second at the top. That pause is where abs grow. If this is helping, subscribe now. This is how real results are built. So remember, neutral neck, braced core, slow control, no momentum. Challenge time. Do 10 perfect sit-ups right now with this form and feel the difference. Train smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.